What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best patio heaters in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Thermo Tiki Deluxe Outdoor Propane Patio Heater, the best patio heater for outdoor parties. For those who prefer their outdoor heating with a side of style, the Thermo Tiki Deluxe Outdoor Propane Patio Heater puts its pyramid-style aesthetics on the same plane as its functionality. In addition to 38,000 BTUs of heat output, the added light makes this one of the best patio heaters for auxiliary ambience. Featuring a 15-foot diameter of warmth, your guests will flock to this ultra-efficient heat source like moths to the flame. It's mostly weatherproof, too. The components are made to withstand rust, fading, and corrosion. The push-button ignition is super convenient, and the controls let you adjust both the temperature and the dancing flame. There's also a safety valve that automatically cuts the fuel supply if the heater is tilted or tipped. Some reviews reported fragile glass components, so be careful moving this thing around. FireSense 1500 watts Electric Infrared Patio Heater, the best standing infrared heater. If you'd like to take the more eco-friendly route for outdoor heating, the FireSense 1500 watts Electric Infrared Patio Heater should keep the shivers away during after-dinner cordials. Operating at 90% heating efficiency, this infrared patio heater is less expensive than its propane-based cousins, and it starts heating up in just a few seconds. According to the company, this results in a 9-foot blanket of heat in the surrounding area, which is perfect for small gatherings in small spaces. This patio heater is quiet, silent, in fact. The aluminum and steel construction is weatherproof, too, so you don't need to worry about the rain. The attached wheels allow for easy mobility, and the 1500 watt bulb lasts for up to 5,000 hours. This is a sought-after model at a variety of online retailers, and user reviews are consistently high across the board. Hiland FS 1212 T10 Aluminum Scroll Propane Pit, the best heater table combo. If you're going to invest in one of the best patio heaters, you may want to consider one that doubles as furniture. The Hiland Fire Pit is much more expensive than most patio heaters, but there's something to be said for the elegance of a bronze fireplace island. And one that never has to be stoked, no less. The Hiland FS 1212 T10 Aluminum Scroll Propane Pit is the perfect accessory for outdoor relaxation, and any self-respecting barbecue. The hammered bronze will look good in just about any backyard, and is perfect for year-round use. The propane tank is hidden underneath. Sure, it's pricier than the average standing heater, but for the price, you get double the usefulness. Staying warm under the stars, all year long, has never been easier. Just don't burn your feet. FireSense Stainless Steel Tabletop Patio Heater, the best tabletop propane heater. If your space heating needs are modest, this is one of the best patio heaters you can get. At just 38 inches high, it's easy to move this tabletop heater from one surface to another. It's also available in 2 color options, a neat bonus. The FireSense Stainless Steel Tabletop Patio Heater is ideal for small groups of 3 to 4 people. The propane lasts for about 3 hours at a time. There's a weight plate in the base for added stability, and the burner screen guard adds some extra peace of mind for errant fingers. Should your space options be limited, you'll want to give this heater a look. Amazon Basics 46,000 BTUs Outdoor Propane Patio Heater, best color rang. If you're after a traditional mushroom-shaped patio heater, but want to inject a bit of color, then look no further. The Amazon Basics 46,000 BTUs Outdoor Propane Patio Heater comes in a range of finishes including powder-coated, stainless steel and even wicker. This makes it one of the most customizable patio heaters we've seen. The design also benefits from wheels on the base so you can easily move it around when necessary. At 46,000, this patio heater has a decent BTU. While it's not as strong as our winner, it will still cover a generous area of 250 square feet. It comes at a great price point of $153, not as cheap as the winner once again. However, if you want the extra color, then it's worth the expense. The only drawback with this design is the height. At 89 inches, it's 7 feet 4 inches tall, which is so high that some had to shorten it. Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.